Okay, our final section for this module is the review section. And I just want to go over a few things with you to complete the time freedom formula module. So first of all, we want to go over some of the steps or all of the steps. And the first step that we went to is the purge step. And there is a template there if you want to download it. The second step was to create general categories, and you'll have a category template. The third step is provide a week at a glance calendar. You can use the template or buy a calendar or use a digital calendar. The fourth step is to create completable circles where you set yourself up to win with circles that you can do in the time that you have allotted. And that's also where you add specifics to your calendar where you have placed categories before. And number 5 is planning the night before, which is crucial. You want to add your specifics. As I said, you want to pull from the purge list, add 3 to 5 tasks maximum, and you also want to add anything that you add has to be a completable circle. Has to be, or you actually will set yourself up to fail. And then number 6 is our maintenance, where you make a date with yourself, you purge or use your purge list, you either add to it or subtract to it often, and you go and start over anytime you need that a reboot for your time freedom, and to forgive yourself because you didn't keep up. Because you know what? We all stop doing something, even if it's good for us, even if it's working, even if we like it. So forgive yourself, because that's a big thing. And I say that a lot because I work with people on a regular basis who beat the heck out of themselves, and I'm here to keep reminding you to forgive yourself. And then download the forms. So they're there for you if you want them, and I hope those help. And then rinse and repeat. That's the whole thing. If you're going to rinse and repeat, whether it's daily or whenever you need it, this is something you can do over and over again. Okay, so I'd like to stay connected if you would like to as well. And just to let you know, I'm a virtual partner. I am a lifelong entrepreneur, and I have resources and tools that will shorten your path for sure. And I am here if you need a leadership level of support, and if you need a confidant, a brainstorming partner, or a team builder. I'm also here if you need a system built, whether you don't have your email marketing system up or if you need help with your website. I'm a certified constant contact partner, and they have an amazing business in a box, marketing system in a box. I'd love to share it with you if you want me to give you a little bit of a tour. I'm also a Shopify partner. If you're interested in e-commerce, we can set up a store where you can sell your digital and real products. I also help with marketing strategies. If you feel like you're missing out on your strategy system, we can create one together. And I help prepare you to do it yourself or to hire a virtual assistant to do the system. And that's what happens is many people call me and they say, I need a virtual assistant right away, but I don't know what to tell them to do because I'm so unorganized. I help you prepare for that if that's what you need. Okay, so don't forget to download your forms and visit thriveanyway.com. That's where you're going to get everything you need, from contacting me to setting up an appointment to learning more about what a virtual partner does and anything else about me that you want to know. Probably too much, but you can find it out at thriveanyway.com. And don't forget, schedule a 30-minute strategy session with me. They usually go over if we need it. And let's just talk and see if there's something I can do to help you, if I do something that you need, and if we're a good fit for each other, because we want to be a good fit, or there's no need for us to work together, right? We're here to have a good time. And sign up for my newsletter. This way, anything I come up with, whether it's a new blog or a new product, that you're going to be notified. I don't want you to miss out on anything. If you enjoyed this, I would really appreciate you signing up for the newsletter so that I can share with you more. And if you have any comments about how this helped you, I'd love to know them. So there's a contact form on my site, or you can leave it anywhere where this is posted. I'd really appreciate anything that you want to share. So thank you very much for being a part of this. Again, I'm Fran. I'm a virtual partner, and I'm with Thrive Anyway. And this has been the Time Freedom Formula. And have a great day.